Hello, my name is Brandon, and today we're going to do some voice coding with Voqal, the Voqal programming assistant. You can find Voqal at voqal.dev. You go there and hit install plugin, and there is a free plugin for you to try for 30 days. See if you like it. Once you've installed it and you go to settings, tools, Voqal, you'll find a lot of settings here to configure it. So I'll go over what those mean by showing you the basic flow that Voqal takes for doing voice coding. So basically, it starts with the developer saying the wake word, which is Voqal. Once the Voqal's been woken up, it starts listening to what the developer says. It takes that audio, it sends it to a speech-to-text provider, which turns that audio into text. That text is taken along with the source code that the developer is working on, sent to the LLM of their choice. That response is taken and sent to a text-to-speech provider. If that response is the Voqal answering a question or asking the developer something. If it's not, it goes straight to the developer's IDE where it takes effect. So that's what these settings are kind of have you configure. So for the wake, we're going to go ahead and do Pico voice because I want to do this whole entire voice coding with no keyboard usage. So I'm going to go ahead and add Pico voice as the wake provider. You can get a free Pico Voice key by going to picovoice.ai, create an account, and then they'll give you a free key. Take that key, put it in here. And then for the speech-to-text provider, I went to use OpenAI as I find that theirs is more accurate. So if you go to OpenAI, same thing, create an account. They'll give you a key, take that key, and we use it here. Same thing for the language model. I want to use OpenAI. GPT 3.5 is good. It's cheaper, but still pretty accurate. And then speech-to-text provider, we're going to go ahead and use OpenAI as well and turn closed captioning on, and then just speed up the voice a bit so that it talks a bit faster.
Hello, my name is Voqal. I am your Voqal programming assistant, and this is what my voice sounds like.
All right, good. So go ahead and save that. All right, now we're ready to go. So we're going to do all of this without touching the keyboard, and we're just going to create a little small calculator application and debug it to kind of see how it's like to voice code with Voqal. So I'm trying to say the name of the program without it actually waking up. So Voqal, create a class, create a Java class called calculator. Voqal, add an add function. All right, so I don't like A and B. I want X and Y. So I'm going to try to see if I can get it to change that. Voqal, change A and B to X and Y. And what you're seeing here is it's an issue that is going to affect earlier versions of Voqal, but of course I'm going to have this solved in future versions, but it just does, changes don't propagate, so I got to ask it again. Voqal, change A and B to X and Y. Voqal, add multiply and divide functions. Voqal, why did you include this illegal argument exception?
The illegal argument exception is included to handle the case where the divisor y is 0, as it is not valid to divide by 0. This helps to prevent unexpected behavior and provides a clear error message in such situations.
Fair enough. Okay. Voqal, add a subtract function. Voqal. Sorry. Sometimes the wake detection needs a bit of improvement, but Voqal. Oh, come on. Voqal. What was I doing? Oh yeah, add a main method that shows how to use all these functions. It's okay. Voqal, add breakpoints to all the system out print lines. Voqal, run this in debug mode. Voqal, show the console tab. Voqal, remove the breakpoint from line 24. Voqal, play. Voqal, remove all the breakpoints. Voqal, play. Okay, so this is a very small example of something you can do with Voqal. Sorry, trying to say its name without it responding. But very small example of what you can do with Voqal currently. As you can see, a little bit of work needs to be done with propagating changes, but I'm going to continue this tutorial, make some more harder applications, maybe give this a UI, maybe see how Voqal works with creating REST endpoints, stuff. If there's something you'd like to see in future videos, me build with just doing voice coding, please let me know and I will add that into the list of things to build. But so yeah, thanks for watching.